What's new here? I'm gonna unbox it and show you. Yes, it's from Hairtamin gummy for hairs. For 6 months, I ordered gummy because I like gummy, and I'm gonna try it. I've been using it for 2 months today, and it really works for hair growth. If you like to have a long hair, highly recommend you. Also, it smell is good and it's so yummy. It's look like this. You have to take 2 gummies a day, but sometimes I wanted to take more than 2. To be honest, it didn't affect on my hair loss at all. Maybe it's too early to conclude, or because I have telogen effluvium. So I'm very upset. It disappointed me after 2 months using. It was my experience of Hairtamin gummy stars. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to support me and subscribe me. Bye.